All right, class, here we go. We're going to talk about lesson 6, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Um, Lists are mutable. That means you could alter them and change them. There, you could alter them. Uh, Tuples are immutable. Tuples, you hear some people say, I say tuple, it's fun. Um, as far as tuples, why you need to understand them is a lot of built-in functions of Python take tuples as parameters, or you could design a function to take a tuple as a parameter. Or when you talk to different data sources over APIs or different databases, they return you tuples as answers, or as data. So you need to know how to traverse those, what indices are, um, things of that nature. Dictionaries are the foundation to understanding JSON. They're key value pairs. JSON JavaScript object notation is just a file type that is a complex dictionary. It's usually a dictionary of dictionaries. Um, Dictionaries are cool. Key value pairs are helpful. You'll see in your lab down here, state abbreviations. Um, you can quickly turn this text document, download it, turn it into a dictionary, load it back into your script that needs functions, error handling, and to use dictionaries, and of course, lists or tuples if you see fit. But let's talk about this for a second. I want to bring this script over real quick and talk about some of the possibilities on how to solve this, right? So I'm going to import random because you got to do some stuff with random, right? It's coming up. You take all your states. I built my dictionary with abbreviations first, and the state full name is the key or value. So the key is the abbreviation, the value is the state name. You can flip it if you want, doesn't matter, right? It's up to you. Of course, the directions, I believe, are enter quiz by displaying the abbreviation and asking for the full state name. So show the abbreviation, get the full state name back from the user, right? So I got your wins, losses, wrong abbreviation list because you have to tell the users which one they've gotten wrong and correct. And you don't want to guess them again. If you're using random and you're not popping them out or doing anything wild, you want to already guess list, perhaps, right? You got your random choice, random.choice. Maybe you want to use that. Mine's commented out because this isn't a. I'm not going to give you the answer. I'll guide you on how to use some answers, right? Got a nice welcome message. You'll be faced with the abbreviations, little directions. Then instantly I build a list of states keys. So now I have a list of abbreviations. Did I have to do it? Maybe not. But I say for each abbreviation in my list of abbreviations, then this is going to be the input. This is my for loop, and you can do it randomly as well right here, right? What is the state name abbreviation? Then I gather the input from the user in, states abbreviation. Now, it's going to be the full name, right? So this is the full name that they type in, like Alaska. And this would be like Alaska is equal to states.al from my for loop. If it matches, you're correct. Add one to the winner circle, else add one to the loser circle, append it to the wrong answers. When you're done, print the wins, losses, and the wrong answers. And of course, you can also define, play again, and keep on going, and so on and so forth. Now, this all right here is not in a function. This is just quick down and dirty pseudocode, getting something working, right? And now you can go back and take it to a function. You could turn this into a welcome function. You could turn this into your game function. You got your play again function. And then I'd come in here and I'd draft my variables in my import. I'd say define main, pass for now. Type in my mainline logic. And then you can go back and rebuild your code, right? So how would I do that? Well, I'd take all this, tab it on over, define play, open, close, right? That'll play again, main, welcome. You could do something like define welcome. Tab all that over for my welcome. So I got welcome, play again, and you can just do that. Play again, I'll just do pass. Yeah. Let's see if this will work a little bit. There we go. So this is a good beta test, right? Real quick, down dirty beta test. Welcome to the USA State Abbreviation Quiz. You'll be faced with abbreviations. You need the types of state name in. What state is the name of AL? So that is right here in our code. It's in the for loop. This right here is this line right here. Cool, right? I'm going to hit Alaska. I'm going to hit enter. What happened? It's Alabama. It's incorrect. Local variable losses. Now I got these variables that are outside the scope. So I could just grab these, tuck them in play, or declare them global and call on them either way, right? Let's see if it'll run now, right? Let's do, what was that, Alabama? Boom, you're correct, Alabama. And then it goes on to the next one and so on and so forth. Now, I did not do the random section, but you can see here that potentially maybe this is how you do the random choice. It's not too difficult. But this is a good beta for this coming lesson. Definitely need functions, definitely need your mainline logic, definitely need to build your learning, because that's how we move forward, right? So it's going to be fun. You got this. If you need any help, send me an email and I'll get back to you soon. Have a good week.